Tesla on Wednesday reported its first full-year profit, a feat 18 years in the making. The electric carmaker, which was founded in 2003, said it earned $721 million in 2020, in contrast to a loss of $862 million in 2019, even though the pandemic was a drag on sales and production in the United States. The company made $270 million in the last 3 months of the year, up from $105 million in the same period of 2019. But the fourth quarter earnings were below analysts' expectations, and Tesla's stock was down about 5% in extended trading on Wednesday. Tesla's shift toward profitability is an important turning point for the company and for an auto industry that has seen few successful new entrants in recent decades. The company's success was made possible in large part by rising sales in China and Europe, and the addition of a fourth car, the Model Y, that appears to have become its top seller in the United States. Last year was a defining year for us on many levels, Tesla's chief executive, Elon Musk, said in a conference call with analysts. Despite a challenging environment, we reached an important milestone in production and delivery of 500,000 cars. Tesla's sales rose about 36% to 499,550 cars in 2020. The increase was fueled by a factory in Shanghai that opened a year ago and is now starting to produce the Model Y as well as its predecessor, the Model 3. China is the world's largest market for electric and conventional cars. The company reported revenue of $10.7 billion in the fourth quarter, up 45.5% from the year-ago period. Its full-year revenue climbed to $31.5 billion, up from $24.6 billion in 2019. But Tesla said its operating profit margin, a measure of how much money it makes for every dollar of sales, fell to 5.4% in the fourth quarter from 9.2% in the third quarter. The gross profit margin in its automotive business was 24.1%, the lowest level of any quarter in 2020. Tesla's revenue and bottom line were helped by the sale of $401 million in emissions credits in the fourth quarter to other automakers who need them to meet regulatory standards. Mr. Musk has suggested that the company could sell more than 800,000 cars in 2021 as it expands output at its Chinese plant and opens a third plant under construction near Berlin. It is also building a factory near Austin, Texas, that is expected to begin churning out cars by the end of the year. In a statement, the company forecast 2021 sales would grow by more than 50%, implying a sales total of at least 750,000 cars. The company also said it expected annual sales growth to average about 50% over the next several years, and said deliveries of its semi-truck would begin before the end of the year. But the automaker is also facing challenges. Tesla earns less money than some of its larger and more established rivals.